To change your life, really, you need ideas. There isn't anything an idea can't change. And Schoaf taught me the major problem is lack of an idea, not a problem. At first, I didn't have any money. I said to Mr. Schoaf, I don't have any money. He said, that's not a problem. Now, see, up until then, I always thought it was. Right? I was confused. He said, no, the problem is lack of an idea on how to create money and wealth.
Hey guys, thank y'all for getting to another one of my videos. In this video, I want to just show you how you can make unlimited $25 on autopilot, people. Yes, you can do this. I'm going to just show you, right? Come on here. So this is called $25 one-up. People, they're paying $25 for every person that you're signed up. And the cool thing about it is it has its own marketing system in it. So you don't have to send out the emails. You don't have to create this old magical script or anything. They have it here for you. People, let me just show you what I've been making. And I really just got started with this business maybe a couple of weeks ago. And I'm going to just show you exactly what I have been doing. And you can actually hook up your own email marketing system, you know what I'm saying? Because this one actually I think they go on for so long, for maybe about a couple of months, and it stopped. So I put it on mine so I can go for it every day. So you know, email marketing is big. So this is what I have been doing for the last couple of days. I've been bringing people in pretty consistently, man. It's on autopilot, people. I just bought the system, plugged in my information, and let it run. That's it, people. I made it like over $150 already. It's just the beginning of the month, people. Just the beginning of the month. So you want to know exactly how you want to do this. And with this system, you get tons of stuff, man. Not only the whole system, you get the ads, you get the email marketing, you get the training. We got mindset training. You guys, get in, man. If it's something you want to look at, please look at it. You already know the information is free. Check it out. You know what I'm saying? It is so easy. I know it's a no-brainer, but, you know, check it out, man. Get in. You know what I'm saying? And then, you know, once you get in, you know, we got the training and the full team support. So, you know, you're never left behind, man. You know, that's exactly how I do it. So, you know, if y'all want to get in, just click the link below. Get started. Make a decision. Because it is possible out there, man. So, hopefully y'all found value in this video. If you did find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Like, share, comment, share with your team. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Alright? Peace.